welcome to our second video. And with this video I want to show you the easiest way to transfer your model from SketchUp to LayOut. Okay, in the last video we set our scene: front, right, back, left. Of course, we change our style on the floor view, on the first floor and on the second floor. We create also section plane to front viewport and on the back side on our model. Let's transfer our SketchUp file. Sometimes we can use this way here: from file, send to layout, but this option is not really good, and I'm gonna show you a different way. First, let's create a new page. We can choose from this template. I'll take this one, A3 landscape, and now I press file here and choose the insert. I'll take my model and insert in my layout. Okay, we have a window with our last saved view. First one, we have to take the current scale and change our view. Let's create this window smaller. I will press double time. Okay. If we switch on this perspective scale, our box will remember this scale. Okay. With right click, we can change our scene. For my first scene, I'll take the front position. Okay. Let's copy our box from SketchUp viewport and set another view. Okay, with right click from here I can change my scene on the right. Here I change my scene on the back. And again from here I will change to the left. If you want to see your model without sky and ground, we can hide this option from style. Okay, now this model looks perfect. Let's create another page from page menu. and with Ctrl C I will take my viewport from SketchUp here, and Ctrl V I will place to the right position. Here I can change my window size, but I have switched on this perspective scale on resize, and my scale is the same. If I switch off these options, I can change my current scale with this box. Let's set another scene with the first floor. Now I have the first floor. I will take another style again. And I will copy this box. I just hold my control button and drag the model down. Here I have to change my scene on the second floor. Okay, what can I see here? In the camera I can see the current size of my first floor and my second floor. How can I create the same scale in the right proportion? Let's go back to the SketchUp. On the first floor we have seen. On the second floor we have seen again. How can we create same position like first floor to second floor? I'm going to Outliner, and here with the right button I press Active Cut, and now I press the update to second floor. Okay. What I have now, I have same position on the first floor and the second floor. I have to create and just press the save button on my SketchUp model, and here with right click I press update model reference. I change my scene on the second floor, and now I have the same scale position. You can see here in the current scale. I'll change my window size. Perfect. Now we have a perfect position on the first floor and the second floor. In the next video, I will show you the easiest way to create the dimension and the other cool stuff from LayOut.